Pinangunahan ng dating NBA player na si Jeremy Lin ang New Taipei Kings para manalo kontra Meralco Bolts sa East Asia Super League home and away season nitong Miyerkules ng gabi. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandairel ng PTV Sports.
Dinagsa ng dose-dosenang Pinoy basketball fans ang PhilSports Arena kagabi para masaksihan ang kauna-unahang laro ng dating NBA star na si Jeremy Lin sa Pilipinas. Hindi naman binigo ni Lin sanity ang kanyang Pinoy fans at nagpasiklab upang pangunahan ng kanyang kuponang New Taipei Kings sa 89-77 na panalo laban sa Meralco Bolts. Nagmistulang home game ng dating New York Knicks guard ang bakbakan dahil sa mga hiyawan ng fans sa tuwing nakakaskor si Lin. Nagtapos ang Taiwanese-American Cager ng may 23 points, 10 rebounds at 4 assists. At dahil diyan, wala pa ring talo ang New Taipei sa Group B ng kasalukuyang EASL season.
Again, our coaching staff is making a big emphasis on trying to play with both sides, playing on both sides of the floor to be more unpredictable, to get better flow, and to get better ball movement.
Sabi pa ni Lin, talagang kakaiba ang pakiramdam na makapaglaro sa bansa kung saan ramdam na ramdam umano ang pagtangkilik ng mga Pilipino sa basketball.
I mean, the word that everyone always describes is crazy. It's just crazy. And I think, when I've, a lot of former teammates, like this is definitely one of the destinations when they talk about like in the summer and the off season, like, oh, we're going to go on our endorsement tours or we have to do this or that. Like, where are we going? Like, the Philippines is a top destination that everybody wants to be at.
Muli ring nakapaglaro sa Pilipinas si Hayden Blankley na dating kabilang sa PBA guest team na Bay Area Dragons.
And then the crowd is just into it all game, and they'll support both teams, whatever, like whether it's like, yeah, they're supporting both teams or one team, like they're just high energy and it's just a fun atmosphere to play in.
Susunod na makakatapat ng New Taipei ang Ryukyu Golden Kings ng Japan B-League sa isang home game sa susunod na Miyerkules, January 10. Habang ang Bolts naman dadayo ng South Korea upang subukan ang bangis ng Seoul SK Knights sa ikapito ng Pebrero. Rafael Bandairel para sa Bayan.